Hello everybody and welcome back here on Froggo's Creator Academy. In today's video, as I promised, we are doing a full video edit for an episode that will actually be put onto my other YouTube channel where I have all of my gaming stuff. So, it is for Big Brain Craft, which is one of my Minecraft worlds that I play on. This is a server, so Big Brain Craft, and we're going to do impromptu shopping district tour, and we're going to do 16 by 9. Now this is a screen recording, and as we can see, it is this guy right here. But before we do that, I have an intro video that I use for all of my gaming videos, and I have an outro video. Now, I got these through Fiverr, or Fiverr, however you want to say it. So here, we're going to drag this down and pull it into this stream, and now we have this giant stream. However, I was doing another episode when this came up. So we're going to go over here to when we go into the shopping district. Let's get rid of all this. We're getting close. Okay, let's go ahead and start it at 24:20. So we are going to split it with the tool right there. Oop, what happened there? There you go. So as you can see, when you select something and you open up the pin down here on the side, you will get the option to split it right there. Now we split it off. We will delete the beginning part of the video right there. And now all we're left with is the tour of the shopping district as we go around and explore and buy stuff. And then we have at the end of the video where I went to another area and mined some materials for my base. So we will also cut the end of it off, and there you go. Now we are left with a 19-minute long video, whereas before we had a 56-minute video. Now, my phone's screen is rather large, and so I always end up with this weird necessity of dragging my screen to make it bigger. So there we go. It's bigger, and now it takes up the whole thing, and that was done using the crop feature. So now we can go all the way back to the beginning. Now, in addition to the video and my intro and outro, we also need to put in an overlay. I don't really mess with the title screens that much for introducing an episode. I usually use it within the video to kind of point out some weird quirks or something that happened in the video. So we're going to go to images right here. And over here, Eraser is an app that I use on my phone to get rid of all of the background, so that I end up with a transparent PNG file. So here is my gaming name and logo. Actually, we're not going to use that one. We're going to use my full one on this one, which is this guy right here. Now there we are. We're going to shrink it down so it's going to be nice and small. And we're going to put it in the corner of the screen there. And we will drag the handle over and pull it all the way over here to about 12 minutes, which is where this episode should be. We'll take it to 13 just in case. So after we edit all of this, we should shave off at least 5 minutes here, hopefully. And that works out, maybe. Now, you can just leave the icon there if you want, but what I find is I like to use the transform keyframe, and then up here you'll click that like so, and now it is frozen in that spot. But if you come over here to about like 3 minutes, you can move it over here, go a little bit longer, move it over here, and you can just kind of like play around with it a little bit as you move it across back over to the starting position, which is going to be right here. Bam. Now, let me turn off the let me turn off the audio real fast. We'll turn that back on in a little bit. But here in a second, you will see that my icon will start moving slowly because I separated it by quite a bit. But it will go all the way across the screen to that side, and then it will roll back over and kind of just pop back down. It's just a way to kind of keep your screen from getting too boring as you're doing things. Just kind of mix it up a little bit. So there we go. Now, however, though, we also have the point that we really weren't talking like we were going to go visit the shopping district, because that really wasn't in the plans. So now we also need to come over here, and we are going to go all the way down to right there. And now we are also going to cut the audio for that. Come over here, and we're going to do a voiceover, which may or not work because I have a microphone on for the recording. Hello everybody, and welcome to Pristine Frog's Big Braincraft series. In today's episode, what we are going to do is we are going to head on over to the shopping district, because I have some items that I need to buy to finish my other project that I have been working on up top, which is my water fountain. We also need to come in and get this area here fixed up and ready to go, because this is our main connection down to our nether portal. Ooh, free slime. Boink, boink. If only we could throw slime like that, like a snowball. You know, it'd be awesome. Watch it bounce around. So we're going to head over to the shopping district, and I'm kind of excited because you never know what you are going to find over there, because these other players on this realm or this server are always updating things and improving how things look. So I'm going to head on over, and I will catch you guys back when we get there. Later. Okay, so there we go. Hopefully everything went good with the recording. Now we can split this. We can speed that up to like 8x just for the giggles. Back when we get there. Whee! And there we go. Now, as you hear, that is very loud. And you have to be very careful with the audio on anything, because things tend to be louder than you think they will be. So if you put in music or anything else, try to put it down a little bit more than you would expect to. Realm, or this server, are always updating things and improving how things look. So I'm going to head on over, and I will catch you guys back when we get there. Now, I could have just cut that out, but I didn't want to. I like showing the travel. So there we go. It's still a little loud, not going to lie.
Where are we? Oh, whoa. Every time I come to the shopping district, it changes. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Perfect.
Ooh.
Okay. So now we are exploring the shopping district, right? We're looking at all the things that people have. We are buying things, and it's going pretty good. Let's see here. Is there anything else that we can cut? No, not really. I pretty much explored the entire shopping district. So we can end it right before I take that screenshot. So right there, we can end that and take that out. And then we can also go ahead and come down, cut that, take the volume all the way down, and we can record an outro for this part of the video. Sorry. Allergies are killing me. Alright guys, so that is it here on Big Braincraft for this video. I think this area down here is like little apartments or little housing districts. I'm pretty sure. I keep forgetting to come down here and check it out. But there's lots of community storage, so there's lots of stuff here for building projects and stuff. But, oh, what's this? Ooh, a little furnace rack. Sweet. So, yeah, guys, that's it. This is the shopping district map right here. And I'm going to go ahead and leave with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little look, this little tour of the shopping district. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So, there we go. We're going to take that, get out of there. Audio mixing. We're going to turn the volume down a little bit. Turn the volume down on the top just a little bit more.
Start. That's awesome. I love it. And
that's a little better. We're going to come this way, do that. Now we are going to add in a few transitions. So at the end of my videos, I usually try to do a little glitch or a little disturbance. And at the start, right after my first thing, I usually try to do like a 3D one, kind of like break it in that way. So we'll do this one today. We won't do any transitions in the middle, but what we can do, we could take that small little clip I fast forwarded earlier and put an effect on it of glitch. And we can do scratch. And frequency, we'll turn down the frequency, turn the strength up, and now we should end up with a cool little effect. Back when we get there. There you go. Nice little effect. Nether portals are just loud. That is one thing I'm looking forward to when we switch over to KindMaster, because we can take the sound envelope of just this part right here and turn it down. Just this one little segment there. We can kind of do that same thing here, but what we have to do is zoom out, come to the end of the portal to about like right. Oh, we slowed it down a lot. Okay. About right there. Cut it. And then turn the volume down an additional bit. Nether portals are loud. Way more acceptable.
Okay. Where are we? Oh,
okay.
Oh, whoa.
Not too bad of a transition between the sound elements. And that's it. I can add in maybe a little background music track, but it would have to be 18 minutes long, and I don't feel like looking for anything that long right now. Unless I happen to already have one downloaded. We can look. Nothing in that one, that's for sure. But what we can do is go to this download, which is from YouTube. We have Navajo Night, which is 24 minutes long. So we can put that in there. And then music comes out a lot louder than you would think. And we just want it to be like a little mellow background noise. Big Braincraft series.
I had a feeling.
Okay, not quite that low. How about 31?
It was. I mean, just look at
Still a little low. Okay. We will turn it up to about 50. You can hear it a little bit.
It's a packed ice store. That's awesome. I love it.
Yeah, you can hear it a little tiny bit back there. And we'll cut the rest of it off, and there you go. Well, that's it. Now we can hit up here and export it. We are going to do HD 720p. It is a lot faster, and I really don't upload Minecraft in 1080p. Alright everybody, so that is all you do. That is an easy little edit there with not too much to going on. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here because quite frankly, all it's doing now is rendering the video, which takes a while. Not too bad. As you can see, it's moving at a decent little 1% every so often. But yeah, that's how you edit a video, nice and easy. The phone really helps out. If you do this on a computer, I know a lot of people have a harder time processing video editing on a computer. They have to have a certain amount of hardware and the right software and blah 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 blah. Cell phones, easy. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next episode where we will be doing the KindMaster video. Later.